Good morning students. Today we discussed about basic Linux commands of standard 11 subject computer. General purpose commands. To inserting a general purpose commands on Linux operating system, type a command on the command prompt, add option and argument with their commands and press enter key. The other method is type a few characters of their commands in the command prompt and press tab key, and the cell automatically provide the remaining information and press enter key. Here two methods are there to insert a commands on the command prompt. First is type a command on the command prompt, add option and argument of their commands and press enter key, and the other is type few characters on the command prompt and press tab key, so cell automatically provide remaining information and press enter key. Now we discussed a general purpose command of Linux operating system, cal. This command is used to display the calendar of the particular month or whole the year. Cal means calendar. Calendar command displays a calendar of the particular month or year. For example, cal 11-2020. This command displays the calendar of the month of November 2020, and cal 2020 displays the calendar of the whole year. More. This command is used to display the page-wise information. Note that pipe symbol is used to combine the commands in Linux. More command. More command display the list of the page-wise. Page-wise means only the list displayed on the one screen. So pipe command is used to combine the commands in Linux operating system. So cal 2020 pipe more command displays a month-wise detail. Month-wise means only one screen displayed and then other are displayed after. Date. The date command is used to display system current date and time. Date command displays the system's current date and time. Date plus %d displays the date. Date plus %t displays the time. Date plus %h displays hours, and only date displays current date and time. BC. This command is used to open a command line calculator. It calculates normal mathematical function and use trigonometric or logarithmic functions. BC command used to open a command line calculator. It provides a different type of calculation. Note that you want to return on the command prompt, press Ctrl plus D key to return on the command prompt. Echo. Echo command is used to display the message on the screen and get the value from the variable. Echo command used to display any message on the screen and print a value or get a value from the variable. For example, echo hi, I am using Ubuntu Linux, so it will print a message hi, I am using Ubuntu Linux. Password. This command is used to change the password of the current login. If user want to change the password of their login, so password command is used. Type password on the command prompt, type your old password and then type your new password. The password will change. Clear. This command is used to clear the screen. If you want to clear your screen, type the clear and press enter key, so it clear the screen. Help. Help command is used to get help on the Linux platform. Linux provides two inbuilt commands, namely help and man. Help command provides the small description of how to use the command, and man command activates a manual corresponding to a specific command that we need to look at. Help command. Help command gives a help of the any commands in Linux platform. There are two inbuilt commands, that is help and man. Help command gives a small description of command, and man command gives a full description of this specific command. Directory commands. Here now we discussed directory commands. What is directory? You told a folder in Windows operating system, just like here Linux operating system, that is called directory. mkdir. This command is used to make a directory. If you want to create your directory, so mkdir, make directory command is used. For example, mkdir directory name, you type a mkdir and then type a directory name on the command prompt and press enter. cd. This command is used to change a directory. cd means change directory. If you want to change your directory or enter in your directory, so you type a cd space directory name on the command prompt and press enter. cd space double dot. This command is used to exit from the current directory. If you want to exit from your current directory, type cd space double dot on the command prompt and you exit from your current directory. rmdir. This command is used to remove a directory. If you want to remove your directory, type rmdir space directory name and press enter key. Note that when you want to remove a directory, first you remove file or subdirectory from their directories. But rmdir-r directory name command is used to remove whole directory. Check your home directory. When user log into Ubuntu Linux, they log in their home directory by default. Echo command is used to check our home directory. When you want to check your home directory, echo command is used. You type echo space home on your command prompt. It will display your home directory name. Present working directory. pwd command is used to check your present working directory. If you want to check your present working directory, you type pwd on the command prompt and press enter key. It will display the name of your present working directory. Naming convention in Linux command. In Linux system, a name of directory or file can consist of up to 255 characters. Maximum 255 characters are given in directory or file name in Linux operating system. Windows OS names in Linux can particularly consist of any ASCII characters except for the slash and null characters. When you type your directory or file name, you can't use slash or null characters. You use ASCII characters, control characters and non-printed characters. However, it is recommended that a name should be relevant and contain only alphabetic characters, numbers, dot, dash and underscore. When you type your directory or file name, it should very necessary to type alphabetic characters, numbers, dot, dash and underscore.